Hello everyone, so this is the unboxing of the Google Pixel phone. This is the 5-inch one. As you can see, the box is quite slick and cool, so let's have a little open of it. Ooh. So let's have it open. So there's the phone. As you can see here, we got the iPhone 7, so we'll do a little comparison a bit later on. Let's just see what we get in the box. So we get Let's Go. So then you have the pin to put your SIM in to the phone. You've got Get Started, so all of the stuff that comes in the box. A quick guide, and also how to put your SIM in. You get a little piece of cardboard that says meet your personal Google Assistant, and on the back it says hi, how can I help? So I guess it's their assistant tool, and more about music, and a big thank you and your warranty for the phone. Then we get the USB Type-C connector to USB also, and also in here you'll get an adapter which is from USB to USB Type-C. Also you get the power, and this is a connector which is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So that's everything in the box. So let's get to the phone. So let's take off this wrapping. So this is the 5-inch one. You can also get the bigger size, which is similar to the 7 Plus. It's a full 5-inch HD screen with the front-facing camera, which is an 8-megapixel one. Let's flip it over. Flip it over to the back. So you've got the fingerprint scanner on the back, so you can unlock your phone. Also, if you swipe down on that, you'll be able to bring down your task bar. We've got the, also on the back you get the 12.3 megapixel camera. There's two cuts at the bottom. One is for the mic, so the right hand side is the speaker, the left hand side is the mic. They have a headphone jack, which, as you can see from the iPhone 7, you don't have. So let's give it a first boot up and see what happens. It's taking its time to boot up. What's it taking so long? So let's go. Insert SIM. Not going to insert SIM yet. Set up as new. So just setting it up. Ooh. So just do a comparison between the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus and the Google Pixel 5-inch. Obviously the size is slightly different, but you can just have a look at the screen. I haven't focused on either phone, so this is just recording straight from an iPhone 6s. But yeah, as you can see, they're quite similar in thickness, but yeah, there you go. There's the unboxing of the Pixel. Thanks everyone. Let me know how I could improve this video. If you want more facts or if you want to see the phone actually being used, let me know in the comments. Thanks and peace.